Taking a look at the CO2 gantry, as you can see, it was pretty smooth sailing right out of the gate. Since we are dealing with a synthetic leatherette, I figured it would be better to err on the side of caution and start with a high speed and low power to make sure we weren't melting anything. The cut settings were pretty much spot on the first time we tried this, and we had a really nice fine line. We had just adjusted the mirrors and there was hardly any curve at all. When it was time to remove the leatherette, it popped right out. There were probably 1 or 2 strands of fringed leatherette left over, but they plucked right off when I pulled the patch. No big deal. Having just had a really successful run with the leatherette settings, I decided to see if we could kick the power up a little bit and get a darker result. Ultimately, that ended up being a mistake. I didn't get great footage of it, but essentially, there were hundreds of microscopic holes where you could see through the leatherette if you held it up to the light. Maybe there's a middle ground between here and where we started, but I didn't think it was worth the time invested in hunting those settings down.